shock you. Fame's addiction with no restrictions, no sleep on a 3 to 6 day mission. Fishing like cops and needing info. Fucking like nymphos, going for only gold diggers. Don't call me. I'm bigger than you. I fucking hate you more than truth. I suffered through the drug abuse, a loose cannon. No standing, just God in the flesh. From now until death, live life to pay taxes for drugs and stress. Every day is one day less. They keep us on a leash, a mess at best. The rest is play for keeps. So I do this for the junkies in the streets. We eat shit and move on. It's hard to hold on with no hands or no soul to stand on. A fan of everything that went wrong. No swan song lullaby. Just a loaded gun pong and reason to make them all cry. They heartless and start shit, fucking garbage. Gutter sluts, no loyalty, just an empty pocket. New way to come up and lack of ability to keep shit real. It ain't their fault like silk. They built to take dick and cause problems. It's all good. No need to cry or spill milk. Just pour another one and drink up and play whatever the deal has dealt you. Sorry, bitch. I can't fucking help you.
They say borrow money brings borrowed time. In a place where a price on a peace of mind ain't hard to find. We break them up, steadily breaking them in. We're evil men, walk among you underground, thick and thin. Lost in thought in the city of rot. Blasphemy marks the spot, alien tongue juggernauts. Post-apocalyptic scripts, ancient tactics, scrolls unfold, untold lies of wretched souls. Invisible marksmen, crosshair your silhouette. Disappear from life, euphoria sets in like swallowing Percocets. Sold for sale deep down next to Aaliyah. Disposables here to seal deals like Yolanda did Selena. In all honesty, every hero likes to play games. Prey on the lane without shame, keeping it all the same. Scumbag monologue, street trash with an anthem. God striking and kicking dirt you can never imagine. Phantom lords raise hell when we feel bored. We don't deny you talk shit, get your head split like a cold sore, bitch.